Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the mud skins from Putco. These are a bit of a different mud flap than you would traditionally find on the market today. Putco laser cuts these for a precision, custom fit that really ensures you're getting the most protection from rocks, mud, snow buildup, and other debris your truck kicks up. So let's break these down. The mounting bracket with hex shield pattern is not only stylish and adds flair, but it also provides a super strong mounting surface. This also makes it easier to attach no matter the location of your vehicle's mounting points. The mud skin is now mounted with bolts and lock nuts for a firm hold to make sure your mud flaps don't fall apart when hit with heavy debris. But it also adds a smooth, cool finish that bolt-on options can't replicate. At the bottom of the mud flap, you'll notice the anti-sail, which also features the hex shield pattern. This is neat because it provides extra weight to keep the splash guard in place while riding down the road. So the problem of your mud flaps lifting in the wind is solved. This is great if you're towing items you don't want damaged from flying debris, and it also helps alleviate debris flying onto cars behind you. Some traditional mud flaps on the market can be a tricky fit for trucks with bigger tires, but that's not the case with the mud skins from Putco. Their setback design allows for more room for larger tires while still providing the protection and clearance you need. So you can be confident these won't interfere with your big tires and dirt road adventures. Mud skins truly are unique to the marketplace because they also have a channeled surface. A lot of mud flaps have a smooth surface which allows for moisture to flow perpendicularly, creating fine lines and particles with low visibility. The mud skins utilize the patented Gorilla Tough Splash Guard's rubber material with channels that draw water and debris away from the tire and to the ground. The mud skins from Putco are available in polished stainless steel, carbon black high-density polyethylene, and brushed stainless steel. Each option has some unique features depending on the style and function you're looking for. They're also available for several Ford, Chevy, and Ram applications. As far as the installation goes, it's pretty easy and straightforward, so we rate this a 1 out of 10, and you can do this in about 10 to 20 minutes in your garage with some simple hand tools. The mud skins from Putco are sold in sets of 2, made in the USA, and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase this product or have it added to your truck, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.